Another dose of the COVID-19 vaccine is now a very likely possibility. As we told you earlier in this newscast, the Biden administration is expected to advise booster shots for most Americans. Joining us now to talk about this is Dr. Dennis Burton with the Scripps Research Institute in La Jolla. Thank you for being with us here today, Dr. Burton.
Great to be with you.
All right, so we're hearing that people should get this booster shot 8 months after their second dose. Why are we talking about 8 months?
That's an estimate based on the fact that the immunity is declining, and it seems like around that period, very approximately, we see more breakthrough infections. So that would seem to be a reasonable time to think about a boost. Israel
has already gone through trials like this. Is this pretty similar to what they did over there?
Yeah, I mean, it's the same. It's the same basic concept. They vaccinated earlier than us. They had seen breakthroughs earlier than us, and they've responded by vaccinating everyone, or trying to. I think under 50 is the latest advice there.
That brings me to my next question. So what can we expect this rollout to look like? Are we talking probably, again, healthcare workers first and then the elderly as well?
I don't know what the administration's plans are here. I would suspect it'll probably be more general. The immunocompromised are obviously already being advised to get boosts. Then you would think that the healthcare workers were vaccinated first, so they will likely hit the 8-month period first, and then folks following after that.
Yeah, many of them are coming up on 8 months very quickly. So we're also hearing that the booster right now only being recommended for the time being for those who have received the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine. So what about those who received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine?
That's a good question. I mean, I would suspect that the folks that have only received the J&J vaccine may be some of the best candidates for a boost. But I think the studies are still ongoing to determine that.
Still a lot of questions left to be answered. Dr. Burton, thank you for your time. We appreciate your insight.
Anytime. Thank you.
After more than 5 years.